It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. It's the furthest sun, the gun done for love. It's a pulse and shove. It's the sharpest cry. The here goes, but why? Where the desperate lie. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. You're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Where the trees are shaking off their leaves. You're never lost among the crowd with me.
I'd known you just about my whole life, but always thought you were so far out of my league that I didn't really think anything of it when you came down with my friends for that weekend at the beach. We spent the whole day in the water and the sun. You got a tan and I got burned. And as the celebration started that evening, you came up next to me, I was barely breathing. On the 4th of July, without a cloud in the sky, with the waves crashing on the coast, and through the summer heat, I felt a chill over me when you grabbed my arm and leaned in close. 1,000 colors and lights were exploding, and I wanted you so bad that it hurt. You looked me straight in the eyes, took my world by surprise, and kissed me underneath the fireworks.
Madame Charlène Clément, consentez-vous à prendre pour époux Monsieur Clément Lemenec, ici présent?
Oui.
Monsieur Clément Lemenec, consentez-vous à prendre pour épouse Madame Charlène Clément, ici présente?
Oui.
Au nom de la loi, je déclare Madame Charlène Clément et Monsieur Clément Lemenec unis par le mariage. Bravo!
On the 4th of July, without a cloud in the sky, with the waves crashing on the coast. up to me.
On the 4th of July, without a cloud in the sky, with the waves crashing on the coast, and through the summer heat, it felt a chill over me when you grabbed my arm and leaned in close. 1,000 colors and lights were exploding, and I wanted you so bad that it hurt. You looked me straight in the eyes, took my world by surprise, and found me underneath the fireworks.
Lame, the weak, too afraid to start the dreams that only came to pass them by. Here's to the broken man who stood and walked when he heard you can, 'cause it shows me that faith is more than sight. Here's to the wandering child looking for a star to guide, pushing through the darkness of the night. Hold your hand up to your heart and know it's just a chance to start. I know that it might feel like it's too hard.
Mon amour, cela fait maintenant 6 ans que nos chemins se sont croisés. J'ai voulu t'écrire ces quelques mots parce que 6 ans plus tard, je me sens différente. Différente et à la fois plus moi-même que jamais. Je t'ai pas dit oui parce que c'est le chemin de la vie et qu'il faut l'emprunter. Je t'ai dit oui parce que je t'aime d'un amour fort, sincère et indestructible. Je t'ai dit oui parce que j'ai trouvé cette personne qui a su corriger quelques-unes de mes faiblesses. Tu me donnes confiance en moi, tu as une philosophie de vie exemplaire. Chaque jour passé avec toi est un élan de positivité et de détermination. Bref, je te dis oui parce que tu rends ma vie meilleure.
J'ai survécu à tout cela pour me retrouver la bague au doigt. Charlène, Chacha Bléo, chat, ma chérie, ma moitié, merci d'être ce que tu es. Merci pour tes attentions. Merci de me faire rire tous les jours. Et comme tu le dis souvent, trop hâte d'arriver en retraite ensemble. Je t'aime.
Someday we could all be free. Yeah, we could change the world if we would just believe. Oh, love is where you are. Just know that love is wherever you are. Yeah, that's all I got.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets.
deeper, I will shout. Let me know when I get closer, open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout.